Hi guys, my name is Tanya, and I'm a fashion designer. I recently designed a new linen wrap dress that is simple, practical, and perfect for both summer vacations and everyday wear. This is what the dress looks like as a finished garment. It's very beginner-friendly and easy to make. Take a look. Can you imagine yourself wearing it? The dress is available in 4 sizes: XS, S, M, and L. Take a look at the size chart to see which one suits you best. The fit is relaxed and loose, so sizing is quite forgiving and comfortable. This is a printable PDF sewing pattern. You can print it at home on a regular printer or have it printed on a large format plotter. Personally, I prefer the plotter option because it saves time. You don't have to assemble and tape all the pages together. I've also included a layout example to make everything easier to follow. Linen, cotton, and viscose are excellent fabric choices for this dress. Once you purchase the pattern on Etsy, it will be available for instant download. The detailed step-by-step guide will help you put all the pattern pieces together correctly. Now, let's talk about colors. Do you prefer a more classic and refined look? Then black might be the perfect color for you, as you can see. Or perhaps cream, green, or pink is more your style. These colors give the dress a lighter, more summery feel and look just as beautiful. Can you see yourself dancing like this in your dress? I definitely think this dress deserves a place in your summer wardrobe. Don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. The link to my Etsy shop is in the description below. In the meantime, I'll be working on some new ideas that you'll definitely love. Bye!